Hello and welcome to my cooking channel. The recipe that I'm sharing with you today is a popular dish in a Malaysian Chinese restaurant. It is cashew nut chicken with dried chilies. I hope that you find this video useful and that you try this dish at home and enjoy it with your family. So come into my kitchen and let's start cooking. I have 330 grams of boneless, skinless chicken breast here for this recipe. I want bite-sized pieces of this chicken breast, so I'm going to cut this into bite-sized pieces. I'm cutting the chicken lengthwise first, after which I'll cut them into pieces. Add a pinch of salt to the chicken pieces and a 1/4 teaspoon white pepper, followed by 2 tablespoons of cornflour, also known as cornstarch. The next thing to do is to mix all these ingredients together. Here it is, the marinated chicken pieces. Let's now set this aside for an hour. Now for the rest of the ingredients. 1 medium-sized onion that I'm going to chop up. I'm keeping this aside as well. 4 cloves of garlic that I'm going to chop up. Seven grams of ginger chopped. Four dried red chilies cut into pieces. A 1/4 cup of cashew nuts. Let's make the stir-fry sauce now. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 3/4 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. This is optional. You can replace it with some Maggi seasoning if you like. 1½ teaspoons sesame oil, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar, 3/4 tablespoon brown sugar, and a 1/4 cup of water to mix them together. The first thing we'll do is fry the cashew nuts. For this, I have 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan on a medium flame. I'm now adding the cashew nuts to the oil to fry them. Let's fry them until they turn a golden brown. This will take about 2 minutes. The cashew nuts have turned a golden brown. I am now going to remove the cashew nuts, turn off the stove and set aside the cashew nuts. Here are the fried cashew nuts, all ready for the dish. I will now put them aside to cool. Back to the stove now. I've just turned on the stove. Now I'm going to put the chicken into the pan to fry. I'm only going to half fry the chicken. Dear friends, if you find these videos useful, please support my channel by commenting, sharing and liking the videos. Please also subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you will receive notifications whenever I upload new videos. Thank you. Make sure you don't fry the chicken pieces for too long because they will become hard. 2 to 2.5 minutes of frying time should do. Turn the flame off and remove the chicken pieces from the wok or frying pan. Here, take a look at the fried chicken pieces. We'll fry the aromatics next. There's not enough oil, so I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil. The onion, ginger and garlic go in to be sauteed. Let's saute these aromatics for a minute, after which we will add the dried red chilies. Adding the dried red chilies now, I will saute this for 1 minute. The half-fried chicken goes in after 1 minute. Stir to mix all the ingredients together and fry the chicken pieces until they are cooked. This should take about 1.5 minutes. It's been 1.5 minutes and the next ingredient to go in is the stir-fry sauce. Rinse the sauce bowl and add the water to the chicken. We'll stir and then leave the sauce to cook and infuse itself into the pieces of chicken. The flame is still at a medium. The gravy is bubbling away. Let's give it a taste. Everything seems to be in order. Now reduce the sauce to the consistency that you want. When you're happy with the consistency of the dish, reduce the flame and add the fried cashew nuts. Give the dish a stir and turn off the flame. This dish is now ready to be enjoyed with a plate of white rice. Dried Chilli Cashew Nut Chicken. This is an easy recipe that does not require many ingredients and it is quick to make. Please do try this dish at home and enjoy it with your family. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.